How's it going, my fellow degenerates? It's your boy Stas here. Welcome back to another video. So you saw the title today. Cheers, by the way. I appreciate you all for tuning in. We have to break down 5 high short interest stocks, some of which are already moving and some are about to move, in my opinion. So guys, jam-packed video. If you find value, hit the like button, make sure to subscribe, and of course, get your free stocks. What the heck are you guys waiting for? Use that Moomoo link down below. Once you open up your account and deposit at least $100, you get 5 free stocks, and deposit at least $1,000, you get 10 more free stocks, and overall, your uninvested cash will earn up to 8.1% APY. So guys, use that link down below or go to StasSurfS.com/Moomoo. And with that being said, cheers. Let's get right into the video. So like I said, guys, we have 5 high short interest stocks to break down today, some of which I think 2 or 3 of these things are moving like crazy already. And by the way, the entire stock market right now is in the green, it seems like. Russell's up almost 0.5%, NASDAQ 1%, S&P's up 0.5%, same with the Dow pretty much, and the VIX is down almost 2%. So we're seeing nice green across the board. Looks like SPY hit another all-time high today, guys. QQQ for sure hit an all-time high. 522 all-time high QQQ. Dow Jones looks like it's getting there too, pretty close to all-time highs, as the Russell is, close as well. We all know that already. So we're not going to harp too much on these indexes, guys, because we got to break down these stocks. Stock number 1 is Groupon, ticker symbol GRPN. This one has 40% short interest, and guys, we're up 16% on the day today. This thing is moving like crazy, and we're actually breaking out of both moving averages here on the 4-hour chart for the first time in months. I mean months. Sure, okay, fine. We broke out of it. We broke out barely for a day, about a month ago. Okay, but other than that one-off little pop above the moving averages, which lasted a day, we haven't been above the moving averages since the end of July on Groupon. So clearly, 40% short interest, it's very high, and obviously now the trend is starting to turn. Are we fully breaking out? Not quite yet, but I'm thinking if we start breaking 1150 into the 12s, GRPN could take off, mid-high teens, no problem, in my humble opinion, guys. So this one's already moving, very high short interest, momentum's building up, so it's worth watching right now. Another one, ALT, I think we covered this recently. This one's moving as well, 23% in the green. Altimmune, I think is what the company's called. Altimmune Inc., up 23% right now, and we're completely ripping. And we covered this one before, so we're doing an update, a follow-up right now. Look, we filled the entire gap to about 950 like we covered before, which was the high from the middle of May. We filled that gap, beautiful. And now it looks like we're filling another gap, the next gap, up to about $11 per share, which was the high, I think, right after earnings recently. We hit that point about 2-3 weeks ago. So Altimmune at this point, guys, is trading at a multi-month high pretty much. And it looks like on the 1-year chart, the next main level that we could get to if we break out of $11.15, we might start gunning for the mid-12s, $12.50. That's a big high from, it looks like, about a year ago. Last December, we failed there. Then if the mid-12s breaks, we might be going all the way up towards $15. But baby steps, guys. Baby steps first. We got to realize we're not there yet, but momentum could bring us there, potentially, right? So ALT, we're looking good. 32% short interest. Keep your eyes on it. Peeled, guys. Keep your eyes peeled. And Pure Cycle Technologies is another one I'm watching. Ticker symbol PCT. This one's got 42.7% short interest, so even higher than Groupon. And clearly, this thing is gunning for the highs from back in the end of October. We hit $15.60 back then. Then we saw a pull down to about $11, or about a 30% pull down, and buyers have been coming in around $11.50, $12, and now we're starting to pop. I think momentum will carry this thing. Potentially, it's not guaranteed, but I think we could start going towards 15, 15.50, 16, maybe higher than that. So Pure Cycle Technologies looks pretty good, very good on the charts right now. So keep your eyes on that. We also have Opko Health, ticker symbol OPKO, or actually no, OPK, excuse me, is the ticker symbol. And OPK looks great on the charts. And mind you, it has 34% short interest, which is very high, hence why it's in this video, obviously, guys. So OPK looks like we're holding this channel, the uptrend, right? You guys see it. And clearly, we're bouncing off the moving averages on the 4-hour chart here. We're bouncing off the bottom of the channel, and pretty much we have a wide open move right here, in my opinion, up towards about $1.70, $1.75, maybe towards $1.80. So I'm thinking OPK, guys, could be a nice continuation play up another 10, 12% on the higher end. Maybe it moves, 5-7% on the lower end from here. But yeah, it looks pretty good. 33.9% short interest, and the chart looks great. You can't deny it, guys. You can't deny it. So before we talk about stock number 5, make sure to join the email list, guys. It's free. I'm sending out my top 3 stocks every single Monday right to your email. All you guys have to do is put your first name and your email address using that link in the description box. And if you guys want to keep up with my actual real money portfolio, you want to see what I'm doing throughout the week, be a part of the Discord chat. It's not free, but you guys can check out the Patreon. It's also linked down below. It's pretty cheap, like $10 a month. Nothing crazy, guys, and you get a bunch of value. You get to keep track of my portfolio, kind of what I'm doing every single week. Full transparency plus returns. You get to see the performance. So check it out. Link down below. And now stock number 5 is Lemonade. Ticker symbol LMND. Pretty good ticker symbol there, if you ask me, here for Lemonade, guys. So this is an insurance company, I'm pretty sure, right? Yeah, we've covered them a couple of years ago. It's been years now. I mean, this stock was very popular in 2020, I believe, 2021. I think we actually hit triple digits on this thing. Yeah, oh my God, man. This thing hit almost $200 a share back in the beginning of January of 2021. So, yeah, about 4 years ago. And obviously, it's tanked down to $10. But now we're back to $45. And we actually just hit $54 about a week or two ago. So now we're seeing a bit of a sell-off, a bit of a pullback after a monstrous rally from earnings. So LMND's got 30% short interest. And you could argue it's a bit overbought. It needs to come down a little bit, which you might be right. We're already getting a bit of a sell-off here. But either way, I'm watching it. I'm looking to see if buyers come in here on the weakness and pick this thing up, whether it's, mid-30s, high 30s, low 40s, mid 40s, this window we're in right now. Let's see if we get the confirmation, maybe another pop for another big move, maybe back towards 50, maybe even higher. And guys, LMND is already up 2.6% on the day today, so buyers might already be coming in. So I'm going to monitor it. LMND is the ticker, 30% short interest. Clearly momentum's there. We're seeing a bit of weakness in the momentum, so now could be our opportunity. But yeah, please trade at your own risk, guys. I'm not a financial advisor. Full disclosure, I don't own any of these stocks right now. I have 0 shares of all of these stocks, so keep that in mind. And yeah, please trade at your own risk, guys. Hit the like button. Do not forget to subscribe and snag up your free stocks from Moomoo. Open up your account using that link down below. Fund it with at least $100 and you get 5 free stocks. Fund it with at least $1,000. You get 10 more free stocks, totaling 15 stocks, guys. Come on. It's a no-brainer, and your uninvested cash will earn up to 8.1% APY. So use that link down below or simply go to stocksurfest.com/Moomoo. And with that being said, cheers. I'll catch you guys in the next video.